What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. April 18th. So we had our consolidation day. No video yesterday. I apologize. And then we had a drop into 47. So it was R1, but the 2023 level right here, that held. That'll be a major point. If we get back above 23, I think we can make a run to 54 to clean up these singles. And 5250 is your 50-day moving average. So upside, that's going to be a pretty important level, although that's about 90 points from where we're at, so 80 points. So that would be a monster move if we got there. But again, we are having these swings, so anything is possible. The low 62-ish, we lose that. We should test 47. We stopped right into these singles here at 46 on ES, and there's a bunch here. So it could stop here at 41, 38. You have a naked POC at 33, 23, and then you get into the 5,000 area. So we will see. 100-day moving average is down at 49.58. I don't put a lot of faith in that, but I like to know where it's at. Over under, still this 96 5101 level. We get above 5101, and I think we have upside. As long as we stay under that, I think this is fairly contained, and I would look at the downside. So that's going to be important. Here's your R1s at 5105. 5103 is your 60-day point of control. And it also coincides with this 5101, which is also a monthly open and close. So that's really just the monster level. And then you can see the volume here as well. So you have volume ranges up here at 08 and then 42, way up at 42.56, but that's pretty big. We did pop below the 63 level, which was last month. So for a period of time, last month didn't happen. I would watch that 63 as well. I'm assuming they're going to try to keep it above that. So that's kind of where we're at. And then that 63 is coincidentally where we closed and opened. So that's going to be another decent level to watch. Here's your daily. Okay, we're below the 50. And we'll see if we base and come back up. We just did this one. Here's your weekly. And then that's actually starting to look sad. But again, we will see. I mean, we've seen down here and then a hard reversal. This is what happened yesterday is this got everybody off sides and then crushed them. This was dirty. So we came off the lows and came up, staggered, and then we had this ramp, and I think everybody just thought that was it. This is gonna, now we've hit the low, we're gonna go, right? And then it came straight back down. So be careful, because they are playing some gnarly games. I think the algo has changed. It's been very interesting. We haven't had the auto buy this shit, right? So this shit has changed. And you can tell, I mean, this auto buy stuff really goes back quite a ways, but this is just months and months of daily, down auto bid, keep it up, tight ranges. And I think it's off. I think, here in April, it just kind of turned off, and now we're seeing the fluid downside. But we're also seeing a thinner volume or liquidity in the front month ES, which is partially why we're starting to move around quite a bit. So they're able to push it up and down minus this whatever. I'm just assuming it was an algo that turned off. I don't know. We chewed into this cash gap on SPX, so that fills at 49.81. I would keep that in mind. 50-day on there is 51.17. We do have a cash gap way up here at 99, 51.75 to 99. So I don't think we see that, but anyway, it's up there. But yeah, we have a lot of cash gaps if we decide to drop and they don't stick save this, but we will see at some point if they find an area and go up. We're up 10 now. Dow's up 84 and Nasdaq's down up 39. So we will see. Euro stayed the 106 level for now, is kind of coming up. So we'll see if the 7 levels resistance and it comes back down. This was quite the move down. So maybe it was accelerated too much and we're going to kind of come back, but we will see. Apple slightly lower today, and Nvidia is up $11. So that's probably what's keeping NASDAQ up. Tilt is leaning, so we will see if that continues to grind back. It's at 89 now, still under 90. 80 is the level of support. News today, I think, what do we have for numbers? 8:30 weekly jobless claims, and 10 is existing home sales. Oh, and Philly Fed manufacturing at 8:30 as well. So we'll have numbers, maybe movement before that, and then we'll see if the existing home sales, unless that's way off, I don't see that moving too much. So that's kind of where we're at. I'd just like to see all this stuff. So I mean, really down to $49.99 to clean these singles up. So I could see if we headed back down, we'd bounce there. But there just hasn't really been any bounces. And any bounces have been short-lived. So just keep your eye out. This market structure has changed. It changed a few weeks ago, and now you're starting to see, that difference. Anyway, I'll be in the room most of the day. No video tomorrow morning, so these levels will probably still be very valid if we don't have anything crazy today. I'll stay safe.